Alright, well, I have a review today, and it's a special review because it's my birthday present. From some very loyal subscribers. So, let's open it up, see what we got. Check that out. So I got this Warrior 18-volt lithium-ion battery, 3/8 cordless drill and driver. Now, as you see here in the pictures, it's basically for general purpose. It has a variety of speeds. It comes with the charger that you can plug into any wall. It weighs only 2 pounds, which ain't bad. It only goes up to 900 RPM. So let's open it up. Here we go. Box, 2 boxes, nothing else. Alright, we have the owner's manual right here, in case any of you people out there never used a drill before. This is very vital, but I don't need it. Okay, here's the drill, well packed. Now, this one is the battery. Haha, I was right. This one is probably the charger. Now it is a little dented up, but it should be alright. Yep, charger. Now, notice the low profile on the Warrior 18-volt lithium batteries compared to the Drill Master. I mean, that's a big difference right there. And the Drill Master is 18 volt as well. I mean, it's a big difference. And they're not swappable either. You get new batteries, and the new batteries don't fit your old stuff, and your old stuff don't fit the new stuff, and all that. And before you know it, you'll be throwing all your old stuff out for new stuff, and it's a never-ending cycle. But you know, that's capitalism. So, to put it in, you just line it up, click, it's in there. Now this right here, which I like that it's the same as the Drill Master. So it has the same feel for it. So it tells you what direction the motor's going to go, forward or reverse. Right now we're in forward, so yep, it's forward. Listen to that. That's a nice quick response versus this one, which it's a little bit quieter, the Drill Master, I will say, but This one's a lot more snappier of a response. Now you have, your stages. Goes all the way up to drill. And then down to 1 for your lowest torque. So I would say for the price, I would say go out and get one. I mean, it won't hurt, just have one more drill in the toolbox. Now, I'm not going to open up this one, but it does come with a charger as well, so that's good. Instead of you waiting around to charge one battery up, well, you can just plug this in and have one charging while the other one's working. Or you can have 2 charging at once. That way you know that your set is full and ready to do some work wherever you need it to be done. So that's all I have for now. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button so you can see more reviews on Harbor Freight products and whatever else I see that could pique my interest and possibly yours as well. So that's all for now. Bye.